Hey everyone, Maryland here from GebZilla. We've all been there. You fire up DaVinci Resolve, excited to edit your latest masterpiece, only to be met with eerie silence. Your MP4 video plays, but the audio waveform is nowhere to be found. It's beyond frustrating, right? You might start to wonder if you did something wrong or if there's a hidden setting you missed. This issue often stems from codec incompatibility. It's a common problem that many editors face, especially when dealing with various file formats. DaVinci Resolve can be a bit picky about the codecs it likes to play nice with. It has its own set of rules and preferences when it comes to audio and video codecs. Sometimes your MP4's audio codec just doesn't jive with Resolve's preferences. This can be due to the specific encoding used in the file. But don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. We'll go through some practical steps that you can follow. We'll explore 3 effective solutions to get your audio back on track. These methods are tried and tested and should help you resolve the issue quickly. So grab your thinking caps and let's dive into the world of audio troubleshooting in DaVinci Resolve. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to tackle this problem head-on. Our first stop is within DaVinci Resolve itself. Sometimes the solution is as simple as tweaking a few settings. First, head up to the DaVinci Resolve menu and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Audio I/O tab. This is where things get interesting. Make sure the audio monitoring device is set to your desired output. Next, check the default sample rate. This should match your project's settings. If it doesn't, change it to the correct rate. Once you've made these adjustments, hit Apply and give your MP4 file another try. You might be pleasantly surprised to find your audio is back in action. If adjusting the audio settings didn't do the trick, it's time to bring in the big guns codec conversion. This process can help resolve many compatibility issues that simple adjustments can't fix. Handbrake is a free and open source tool that excels at this. It's widely used for converting video files into different formats. Download and install it if you haven't already. The installation process is straightforward and quick. Open Handbrake and drag your troublesome MP4 file into the window. This will load the file into the software for conversion. In the Summary tab, choose a preset that matches your desired output quality. Handbrake offers a variety of presets for different devices and purposes. For the audio codec, I recommend sticking with AAC, Advanced Audio Coding. It's a reliable choice for most users. It's widely compatible and provides excellent quality. You'll find that AAC works well with most video editing software and playback devices. Hit the Start Encode button and let Handbrake work its magic. The encoding process might take a few minutes depending on the file size. Once the conversion is complete, import the newly converted file into DaVinci Resolve. This should resolve any previous audio issues. Your audio should now be playing without a hitch. Enjoy your perfectly synced video and audio.
Welcome everyone into my channel Saskiano with UMD. If this is your first visit to our channel, make sure to see interoperability between applications.
Section 4. Exporting with audio intact. In this section, we'll ensure that all your hard work on the audio doesn't go to waste. Now, you've fixed the audio in your project, but what about when you're ready to share your masterpiece with the world? It's crucial to maintain the audio quality during the export process. We definitely don't want to lose our audio during export. Losing audio can ruin the entire experience for your audience. Luckily, DaVinci Resolve makes this easy to prevent. The software provides comprehensive settings to ensure your audio remains intact. Head to the Deliver page where you'll find all the export settings. This is where the magic happens. Make sure the format is set to MP4 for maximum compatibility. MP4 is widely supported across various platforms and devices. Under the Audio tab, double-check that the audio codec is set to AAC. This codec ensures high-quality audio compression, and that the sample rate matches your project settings. Consistency in sample rate is key to maintaining audio fidelity. With these settings in place, you can be confident that your exported video will have crystal-clear audio. Your audience will appreciate the attention to detail. No more silent films for you. Enjoy sharing your perfectly edited video with the world. Section 5. Wrapping up and staying connected. And there you have it. 3 powerful solutions to tackle the no audio issue in DaVinci Resolve when working with MP4 files. Remember to check your audio preferences, convert to a compatible codec if needed, and double-check those export settings. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And as always, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, keep those edits smooth and your audio crystal clear.